Hi, this is the problem 6.22 from chapter 6, that is magnetostatic fields from Elements of Electromagnetics by Sadiq, 4th edition. What is this question? Let us see this question. The following vector fields are arbitrary. Which of them can be possibly represent an electrostatic or magnetostatic field in free space? So 5 questions are given under this question: A, B, C, D and E. We have to find whether these fields are electrostatic fields or magnetostatic fields. So you have to make a slight correction in the problem. So instead of free space, the problem should have given like this. It is the fields in charge free region. This would be the correct statement for this question. So, which of them can possibly represent an electrostatic or magnetostatic fields in charge-free region? That would be the correct statement for this problem. Now, see, for electrostatic fields, we have two Maxwell's equation. Del dot D is equal to rho V. Since what is given, it is charge-free region. In charge-free region, so there is no volume charge density, so that is del dot D is equal to 0. So from which, if you write del dot epsilon E is equal to 0, from which you can make it as del dot E, divergence of E is equal to 0. So this is the first one, electrostatic fields. One more equation we have, so that is curl of E is equal to 0. So for an electrostatic field in charge-free region, what are the Maxwell's equations? Del dot E is equal to 0, del cross E is equal to, that means the divergence of the field, curl of the field is 0. So that is very important statement. The divergence and curl of field must be 0. So that is what we have to prove. If divergence and curl both are 0, then we can declare that field as electrostatic field in charge-free region. So this is for this electrostatic field. We have to prove this one and this one. Similarly, for magnetostatic fields, let us check out for magnetostatic fields. For magnetostatic fields, let us write again the Maxwell's equations. So del dot B is equal to 0. So del dot B is equal to 0, from which, so what we can write it as del dot mu H is equal to 0, because the magnetic flux crossing a closed surface is 0 in magnetostatic field. So that means del dot H is equal to 0. And one more, Maxwell's equation is del cross H is equal to J. So therefore what we have to prove, so that means this is the current density, that means del cross H is not equal to 0 for magnetostatic fields. So therefore for this purpose what we have to prove, therefore the divergence is 0 and curl is not 0. So then the field is magnetostatic field. The field is magnetostatic field. So this is what we have to prove in this question. If divergence and curl both are 0 electrostatic field, the divergence is 0, the curl is not equal to 0, so then it is magnetostatic field. Let us check out for each one. Divergence, take the divergence and curl of each one and let us see the answers one by one. So first one, let us take out the first one. So A, what is the given information? A is equal to XAX minus YAY. So let us find out what is the divergence. Del dot A is equal to what mathematically it is dou AX by dou X plus dou AY by dou Y plus dou AZ by dou Z. So what you can see that AX is X. So AX component is X So dou by dou x of x is 1. So therefore the answer is 1. So dou by dou y of minus y is minus 1. So Az is 0. So therefore it will come out 0. So the divergence of A is 0. Let us take the curl of A. What is the curl formula? Simple formula: Ax, Ay, Az. So del is written as dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. So what is Ax component? X, Ay component is minus 5, Az component not given. So therefore from this take the determinant. So 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0 minus Ay into 0 minus 0 plus Az into dou by dou x of minus 5 is 0, dou by dou y of x is 0. So therefore the final answer is 0. Since the divergence is 0, curl is 0, what we can write? We can write that the field is electrostatic field. The field is electrostatic field. So this is what you can write for the first question. So let us take the second question. What is B question? Capital B is equal to, separate this, minus y by x square plus y square into Ax plus x by x square plus y square into Ay. Let us separate these terms. First let us find the divergence del dot B. So that is, what is the formula? Dou Bx by dou x plus dou By by dou y plus dou Bz by dou z. So this is the Bx component, this is the By component. Let us find out. Let us again, I am writing it as dou by dou x of, what is Bx minus y by x square plus y square, plus dou by dou y of, so By is x by x square plus y square. So Bz is 0. So let us simplify this. So y is constant, 1 by x square plus y square is written as minus, so what we can write it as y by x square plus y square whole square into the differentiation of x square plus y square is 2x. So this is the answer for this one. Next, for this one, what you can write it as, so x is constant, you can take x outside. 1 by x square plus y square differentiation is 1 by x square plus y square whole square into 2y. So both of these terms gets cancels out. So therefore the divergence will come out as 0. Let us find out the del cross B. So what is it? Is written as Ax, Ay, Az. So dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. What is Bx? Minus y by x square plus y square. So By is x by x square plus y square. So this component is 0. So let us find out this. Ax into, so 0 minus 0. So minus Ay into dou by dou x of 0 is 0. Minus dou by dou z of this term is 0. Plus Az into dou by dou x of this term is, apply u by v rule, x square plus y square, u by v rule for this term, into differentiation of x is 1 minus x into differentiation of x square plus y square is 2x by x square plus y square whole square. So this is the differentiation of this term, minus, so dou by dou y of this minus into minus plus. So what is the differentiation of this term? X square plus y square into differentiation of y is 1 minus y into differentiation of x square plus y square is 2y by x square plus y square whole square. You can see that clearly Az term is not 0. So therefore del cross B is not equal to 0. So what you can make, the divergence is 0. the curl is not 0. What field this is? This is in the magnetostatic field. So therefore the field is magnetostatic field. The field is magnetostatic field. Let us find out the third one. Option C. So what is option C is given? C is equal to e power minus y into cos x ax minus sin x ay. Let us separate these terms. E power minus y cos x ax minus e power minus y sin x ay. Let us find out the divergence del dot c. So del dot c is dou cx by dou x plus dou cy by dou y plus dou cz by dou z. So therefore dou by dou x of e power minus y. So e power minus y is a constant. So differentiate dou by dou x of cos x is minus sin x. So this is the first one. Minus, you can check it, dou by dou y of minus into minus. So dou by dou y of this term is minus e power sin x is a constant. E power minus y is e power minus y. The differentiation of minus y is minus 1 into minus will become plus. So you can check that dou by dou z of cz is 0. So therefore you can cancel out this. The answer is 0. The divergence is 0. Let us find out the curl. Del cross C is equal to right ax, ay, az, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. What is Cx? E power minus y cos x minus e power minus y sin x 0. Let us find out these terms. Ax unit vector into dou by dou y of this term is 0, dou by dou z of this term is 0. So 0 minus 0 minus ay unit vector into minus dou by dou x of this term is 0, last term is 0, plus az into you can check that az into dou by dou x of this term is minus e power minus y is a constant, dou by dou x of sin x is cos x, minus dou by dou y of e power minus y into cos x. Cos x is a constant. So e power minus y is e power minus y. For minus y minus 1 differentiation. So therefore these two terms gets cancels out. So the answer will come out 0. So from this what you can state that the divergence is 0 and curl is 0. So therefore which field this is? The field is electrostatic field. The third one is electrostatic field. Similarly, let us take out the D option. So what is the D option is given? So capital D is equal to 5 into e power minus 2z into, so if we multiply rho a rho plus 5 e power minus 2z unit vector az. So for this what we have to observe is that the problem is given in cylindrical coordinate system. Remember carefully, the problem is given in cylindrical coordinate system. The problem is given in cylindrical coordinate system. So for this, what is the cylindrical coordinate system? Rho, phi, z. So the differential elements are what are differential elements? D rho, rho d phi, dz. So what is the value of h1? So in this problem h1 is equal to 1. So h1 is equal to 1. h2 is equal to rho. So h3 is equal to 1. First you have to write this carefully. h3 is equal to 1. Now let us find out the divergence formula. You cannot write the divergence formula first. You have to write like this. The divergence of D. So first we have to write the generalized formula. Remember this generalized formula: 1 by h1 h2 h3 into dou by dou u1 of h2 h3 into d1 plus, while differentiating with u1 take h2 h3, so dou by dou u2 of h1 h3 into d2 plus dou by dou u3 of h1 h2 into d3. So we use this general expression. So we use this general expression for all coordinate systems. So we can use this formula for all coordinate system: rectangular, cylindrical and circular coordinate system. Let us substitute all these values in this expression. So therefore del dot d, so that is equal to what is 1 by h1 h2 h3, 1 by rho. So dou by rho, u1 will become rho, u2 will become phi, u3 will become z. So d rho it will become d phi, it will become dz. So substitute these three components. So dou by dou rho of h2 h3 is rho. So what is this parameter? D rho. So d rho is phi e power minus 2z into rho. Rho into rho will become rho square plus dou by dou phi of what is h1 into h3? 1. So what is d phi? So therefore d phi term is not there. So you can keep 0 plus dou by dou z of what is h1 and h2? Rho. What is dz? So dz component is phi e power minus 2z. So let us find out this. We will get the answer. So 1 by rho, take it outside. So 5 into e power minus 2z is constant. If you take difference 2 rho, it will become 10 rho e power minus 2z. The differentiation of this term is 0. So the difference 5 rho is constant. The differentiation of e power minus 2z is e power minus 2z into minus 2. So therefore it will become minus 10 rho into e power minus 2z. So you can cancel out these two terms. So therefore the divergence will come out 0. Let us find out the curl. So that is del cross d. So for this, remember this formula: 1 by h1 h2 h3. So we can use the same formula for all coordinate systems. So you can write it as, here. We can write it as, so for this coordinate system, a rho h1 a rho h2 a phi h3 az. So the second row is dou by dou rho phi, because of cylindrical coordinate system, dou by dou z. The third one is h1 d rho h2 d phi h3 dz. Substitute these parameters, you will get the final answer: 1 by rho. So remember that in this formula you have to multiply with h1 h2 h3 for first row and third row by h1 h2 h3. So this is the generalized formula. Now h1 is 1, so a rho, so rho a phi az. So dou by dou rho, dou by dou phi, dou by dou z. h1 is 1. What is d rho? So d rho is phi rho into e power minus 2z. So dou by dou phi term is 0. So d phi term is 0. h3 into dz. What is dz? 5 into e power minus 2z. So this is what you have to write. So let us find out what is the answer of this. So 1 by rho into a rho of dou by dou phi of this term is 0, dou by dou z of this term is 0. So 0 minus 0 minus rho a phi minus rho a phi into dou by dou rho of this term. The dou by dou rho of this term is 0. Dou by dou rho of this term is 0 minus dou by dou z of this term is, so 5 rho is a constant. E power minus 2z is e power minus 2z into minus 2. That means it will become 5 into 2. It will become 10. Finally, write the last term. Az into dou by dou of this term is 0, dou by dou phi of this term is 0. So finally what we can conclude is that del cross D is not equal to 0. So you can clearly see that the divergence is 0, the curl is not equal to 0. So therefore which field? Therefore the field is magnetostatic field. The field is magnetostatic field. So in this way, so in the next class we will see the E question. So this is what the answers for A, B, C, D, what we have to write in the examination. In next class I will solve the question E. Thank you.